Hi everyone, this is Jamil here, and today in this program we're going to talk about the intro questions that are being asked from you, and most of the candidates they're not able to answer really well, and because of their incorrect answer most of the candidates are not being selected by the employee, not being selected by the intro. In our previous program, in our previous session, we discussed about the important question that are being asked by the intro is tell me about yourself, and I share all the tips and tricks that you guys can adopt to answer really well these sort of the questions and able to get your job. So today in this program, in this video, we particularly going to discuss about another important question that is being asked by the interviewer in your intro, and most of the candidates they're not able to answer correctly, they're not able to answer really well. That's why they not able to influence the employer, and ultimately their concentrations toward their particular jobs is not done by the intro. So please see this video till end so that you guys get the complete benefit, and I'll try my best to share all the tips and tricks related to this question so that you guys able to get particular jobs for that you are applied for. So we start our discussion. Most of the time when you appear for the intro, they ask you one important question, tell me about yourself, and in a prior video I have shared all the tips and tricks how to answer it. So another important question that are being asked by the intro, that are being asked by the persons who is conducting the intro, and you need to answer it, you need to influence it so that you're able to get your job. So another important question that is being asked by the intro, why you want to leave your prior organizations. If you're working somewhere and you are trying to get another job, a better job in another organizations, that organization is concerned always to think about, to know about, to judge about why you want to leave your prior organizations, because definitely they want to know what is your job rotating behavior and why you're quitting your prior job. So most of the candidates say my boss is not good, my salary is not good, their environment is not good. So most of the candidates try to become a negative word of mouth of the prior organizations, and no organization want that they need to hire. Are they gonna hire these sort of the peoples who become negative word of mouth of all organization, of every organization? Because there's some sort of the perception they create in their mind that if this person is trying to become a negative word of mouth of prior organization, next day when he apply in another organization, he will also become a negative word of mouth of organization. So this is a one important thing that you guys should keep in the mind when any person asks you, any interviewer asks you about why you want to leave your prior organizations, what is the reasons you want to leave your prior organizations. So what your answer should be, and what are the best answer that are being answered by the interviewer, that are being answered by the candidate, and they are also being selected by the interviewer. So if the interviewer asks the questions why you want to leave your prior organization, what your best answer should be that I'm looking for a better opportunity, I'm working there, there's a lot of things that I learned from my subordinate, from my seniors, from my colleagues. The environment is really good, everything is really good, but still there's something is limited, and I have more potentials, I have more abilities, I have more good educations, and I have more strength, more power, more capabilities to accept more challenges. In my prior organization there are some sort of the challenges, but still the challenges is limited, and I need to cope with the really good challenges, and they're paying a really good salary, but according to my need, according to my potentials, according to my capability, I want to accept more work, I want to accept more good job, and I want expecting a more good salary. So salary shouldn't be your much concern, because your concentration toward the salary shouldn't be good, because most of the interviewer, they see that maybe this person is just want to quit because of their bad salary. So salary shouldn't be much concern, but your concern should be that I'm trying to find a good job, I'm trying to find a better career oriented job, so that I able to learn more, I able to contribute more and more toward that particular job. So also you shouldn't be bad about your boss. I mean, you just say that my boss don't know anything about it, the management is there, they don't know everything, so I'm not able to understand, I'm not able to learn more from these people. You should say in this way that the management is good, people are experienced, they have highly expertise, but still their expertise is limited as compared to your organization, where I am here for an intro because I read about, I study about, I learn about different people's, the management are the personals, are resource in your organizations are really good, their capability is really good, and they will also provide me a really good chance to learn about, they provide me a really good chance to contribute my abilities, and they also provide me a good challenging environment, a really good environment to learn, to contribute, and ultimately to earn really good. So these are the tips and tricks. If you adopt, if you learn, if you answer, definitely you will able to give a really good influence on your employees, and you will able to get hired from your employer. So in the next session we'll also share some more tips and tricks related to your job interview, so that you're able to answer all the questions really well. So till next video, please take care of yourself. Goodbye.